You weren't too sensitive. You were emotionally neglected, and no one ever told you. They don't leave scars you can point to, but they quietly shape your thoughts, your relationships, and the way you see yourself. Maybe no one ever shouted at you. Maybe no one hit you, but no one truly noticed you either. And now, you feel tired without knowing why, disconnected without understanding how, strong on the outside, but quietly empty within. This isn't a story about weakness. It's a story about unseen scars and how to finally heal them. Emotional neglect doesn't announce itself. It doesn't arrive with chaos or drama. It grows quietly in homes where survival mattered more than feelings, where food was provided, rules were enforced, but emotional safety was missing. You learned early how to stay quiet, stay useful, stay invisible. You became independent too soon, mature too early, strong before you were ready. And now, as an adult, you don't ask for help, not because you don't need it, but because needing feels unsafe. The inner journey. There was a man who came to an old monastery seeking clarity. He told the abbot, "I don't know what's wrong with me. My life looks fine, but inside, something feels broken." The abbot didn't ask about his job, or his childhood, or his failures. Instead, he asked one question: "Who taught you how to feel?" The man froze. He had learned how to endure, how to perform, how to succeed, but no one had ever taught him how to be emotionally seen. The abbot said, "When a child's emotions are ignored, the child doesn't stop feeling. They stop trusting their feelings." And so the wound remained hidden, unnoticed, untreated, until adulthood demanded connection, and the wound began to ache. Breakdown of wisdom. 1. Acknowledge the pain. You are not broken. You adapted. Your emotional numbness was protection. Your independence was survival. But survival is not the same as living. 2. Understand why it happens. Emotional neglect teaches you one dangerous lesson. My needs don't matter, and beliefs shape behavior. So you overgive, overthink, overfunction, yet still feel unseen. 3. What you must do. Healing begins when you stop minimizing your pain, stop explaining it away, stop blaming yourself. You learn to name what you feel, even when it's uncomfortable, especially then. 4. Hope and clarity. You can learn emotional strength later in life. Your nervous system can be retrained. Your inner world can be rebuilt. The wound was not your fault, but healing is your responsibility. 5. Reaffirm your power. The moment you honor your emotions, they stop controlling you. What was unseen becomes integra, and what was fragmented becomes whole. This is the moment you stop being strong in silence. This is where you stop calling neglect normal. This is where you give yourself the care you never received, not to stay in the past, but to finally move beyond it. Your healing is not weakness. It is strength reclaimed. The deepest wounds are invisible, but so is the strength it takes to heal them. And the moment you begin, you are no longer unseen. If this spoke to something inside you, watch the next video. It's the one your future self needs. It is the cost of growing up too fast.